Morning all. Hope you guys are able to hear me. Can some of you please confirm that you guys are able to hear me or not? Hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see the screen which I'm sharing, right? Ishwant or Ashley Shah, any
Yes,
one of you.
yes, good morning, sir. Yes, able to hear.
Yeah, you guys are able to hear, right? So, okay, fine. So let me start the demo session. So your batches comes under the batch number 21. This course is named as a manual plus Selenium with Java. Am I audible? Is my voice is clear?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay, fine. Good. So uh, this course is named as a manual plus Selenium with Java. I will let you know about the syllabus, what you guys are going to learn by the end of the session. But before going to that, I just want to introduce myself and what is the course duration, what are the advantages of or benefits of this course. Okay, so let's see the overview about the course and then we can discuss about the syllabus which we are going to learn in the further classes. Okay, so here every day the class is going to be starts from 8:30 to 9:30. It will be there for 1 hour. Okay, so and let me introduce myself. Myself Raju, having 10 plus years of IT experience and 5 plus years of training experience on the both manual and automation testing. The course duration will be there for the 2 months, which includes both manual testing and automation testing. I will explain you the syllabus, what will comes under the manual, what will comes under the automation. In manual, what tools we are going to learn. In automation, what tools we are going to learn, what programming languages we are going to learn, and what is the level of subject will be there on the course. And everything is going to be uh, discussed clearly after completion of this phase. And what you will get the advantages or benefits of the course. So before going to the advantages or benefits of the course, I just want to know about yourself, your name, and you are from, and what you are looking from the course. I need three questions in your introduction part: your name, where you are from, you are looking for fresher or experienced opportunities. These are the three questions I'm expecting from you. Please introduce yourself one by one. If you want me to call out names also, I will call you, or else you can voluntarily introduce yourself about your name, from where you are. Yeah, Ashlisha, go ahead.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. My name is Harsha, as you know. And so I'm looking for a experienced one because I'm already working as a manual tester, but I just want to upgrade myself for automation side. Um, yeah,
Okay.
I'm from
How many
Hyderabad only.
how many years of experience you have in the manual testing?
Yeah, I have 4 plus. Also, I'm involved into Pega testing also. Uh, so looking
Okay.
forward for automation side.
Okay, fine, fine. Good. What about next one? Yeah, go ahead, Lakshmi. We are not able to hear you, Lakshmi. Are you speaking? Okay, fine. So I'm not able to hear you. So you can drop a message in the chat by that your name and your experience and what you are looking, either fresher or experienced opportunities. Next one, Kavya. I'm not able to hear you as well. Are you speaking on mute? Is it for me or all? Can some of you please confirm? Are you guys able to hear Kavya voice? Yes or no?
No, unable to hear.
Okay. So please check your audio, guys. Lakshmi and Kavya, we are not able to hear you, both of your voices. Okay, next. Satya Chaudhary.
Yeah, hi, good morning, everyone. Yeah, my name is Satya Durga. I'm from AP. I'm currently looking for freshers roles. I'm new to the IT side.
Okay, fine. Did you join any previous batch? Or this is the new
Yeah,
batch you
yeah,
joined?
yeah, I have joined and I want to join from starting.
Okay, fine, good. And next one, Yashwant. I'm audible, Yashwant Sita. Can you please introduce yourself? Okay, fine. So I'm not sure. So what the issue from your end, guys? I'm not able to hear your voices from Lakshmi, Kavya, and Yashwant Sita about your introductions. So just check your audio and please introduce yourself by the end of the course. I will ask you again. So, okay, fine. Lakshmi sent their introduction in the chat. Hi everybody, I'm Lakshmi and I'm from Hyderabad. I worked as a document reviewer. Now I want to change to manual tester. Okay, then you are looking for fresher opportunity. Okay. So why we are taking the introduction part is, so we just want to know who is looking for fresher opportunities, who is looking for experienced candidates, but based on that we can incorporate more syllabus. Based on that we can incorporate more concepts which can help for the experienced candidates at the time of interviews. So that's the reason why we are taking the inputs in the introduction and demo class itself. Okay. So please try to understand and please try to give your inputs when we are asking. Based on that we can form a new syllabus that will be helpful to you in the further career. Okay, good. So we are pending with Kavya and Yashwant Sita. So if you are able to speak, and you can introduce yourself, or else you can tell by the end of the session also. Let me get into the session. I already introduced myself. Myself Raju, having 10 plus years of IT experience and 5 years of experience in the training students on both manual and automation testing. I already told the course duration will be there for the 2 months. 50 days to 2 months will be there. So Monday to Friday classes will be there. No weekend classes. Weekday classes are from Monday to Friday. We have 5 days of classes. For each class, we have only 1 hour session. I don't want to take a long sessions like 1.5 hour and 2 hour sessions. So what will happen if I take the 1.5 hour, 2 hour sessions is your concentration will not be there on the class. Because if you observe whatever it is, not only class, if you are doing the same thing for a long period, you will feel bored. Is it or not? Right? So that's the major reason why I am not interested to take the lengthy sessions like 90 minutes and 120 minutes. So I just want to take only 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, you have to analyze yourself how much you learn in that class. What are the concepts you learn in that class? Okay, it is very important. Even it is 60 minutes of session, out of 60 minutes, what you learn in it. For example, in 60 minutes, I covered two topics. Are you okay with these two topics or not? If not, you can ask me. I will explain by taking time in the next class or else in the same class. Okay. So even if you are attending for the lengthy sessions of 2 hours, but if you are not learning anything, it's no use, right? So in 60 minutes of session, we will try to give our best to explain you on the concepts. Whenever you have doubts, you can reach out us through the WhatsApp or the institute people will be cooperate to you to helpful on the doubts, and they will give support to you on the doubts if you have any on the course which you are learning daily. Okay, so please try to be join the classes daily. If you miss the classes on any day due to any personal reasons, then you can try to listen the recording in the day. By that you have the track on the syllabus what is going on. Okay, so advantages and benefits of the course. What are the advantages and benefits of the course if you guys are joining this course and especially in this institute? Okay, and so many institutes are offering the manual and automation testing, right? So what is the specialty as compared with other institute this institute is providing to you? Okay, recording sessions for every classes. Of course, this will be provided by the every institute, but here the specialty is they are having extensive support through the institute. Whenever you are not able to download the recordings, they will give support to you to download. And if you don't have access, and if you are not able to download, and if you are not able to listen the record, whenever you revert back to the support team of that institute, they will help out you to get the recording. But one thing you have to remember, but they will give a certain duration to download the recordings. Okay, they will instruct you, and they will every day they are going to send the recordings to your mail. Whenever you receive the mail, my suggestion is after receiving the recording session to your mail, please try to download and save it in your local system, because not sure when it will be deleted because of the cloud issues. Okay, because of the cloud storage issues, they are going to delete at any point of time. Okay, so mostly they are giving for maybe 30 days or 35 days. I'm not sure about the duration. So whenever you have received the recording session of that particular day, for example, today I'm explaining this demo session, right? This recording will be available in an hour, and they are going to share that recording to you directly through the mail in the same day. So you will get notified when you receive the mail from the institutes, right? Just check your mails, either if it is a draft or trash, sometimes spam it will be there. So you can go through it and you can check it whether you received the mail or not, and you can download it. If you haven't received the mail, you can reach out the institute support team. They will help out you on getting the recordings on the particular day, particular topics. Okay. And second one is mock interviews. Again, we have many institutes in the market, but most of the institutes won't provide any mock interviews. In this institute, they are going to provide the mock interviews, but there is a condition for it. If you are interested, then only they are going to conduct the mock interviews. Mock interviews won't be there for every student. Few students are not interested to joining for the mock interviews. Few students are interested to join for the mock interviews. By the end of the class, by the end of the course, before 1 week or 2 week, we will announce to the students that those who are interested to give the mock interviews, please give your names. We will give an announcement. Okay, at that moment, you can give your names if you are interested to do the mock interviews. Mock interview is completely based on the syllabus what you learn. Okay, so by the end of the mock interview, you will get to know where you are after learning the course. Okay, as you are paying the fee, you should be responsible that what you learn on the course, right? You should be rate yourself. Yeah, I paid so and so amount to the course, and I attended classes daily. Saris explained every concept very clearly. So where is my problem? If you are not able to give proper answers in the mock interviews, so you should analyze yourself where you are getting fault. By that you can prepare further. Okay, mock interviews are nothing but you will get a confidence before going to the real interview. Okay, so to build your confidence, we are conducting a mock interviews. It's for only the people who are interested to give. We are not forcing anyone to take the mock interviews. The people who are interested to give the mock interviews, give your names, and the institute people will conduct mock interviews to you. Okay. And third one, well structured documents. If you observe that most of the institutes won't provide the well structured document, they just give some documents which is downloaded from the net. For example, if I'm teaching you the Java, okay, I prepared a well structured document for the Java. What you should learn first, what you should learn in the second, what you should learn in the third, what you should learn on the last. Okay, there is a structure, so which can helpful to you to learn very clearly. But then most of the institutes they are downloading the documents from the net and they're sharing it. I'm not criticizing any of the institutes that they are not that they are sharing the documents directly from the internet. So it's good. The same concepts will be there on the well-structured documents also, but you should have a proper document, right? So which we need to be learn first. If we already masters, then we are aware that what topic should learn first. But as we are the students, or as we are the new to the testing concept, as we are new to the programming language, we don't know what concepts should be need to be learned first, right? So the structure will be there, which need to be learned first. Okay, structure documents will be there. So I have prepared well-structured document, one document for manual testing where you can see the topics of that particular day. That topic question will be there and answer practical session will be there for the topic. Well-structured document. Okay, and tomorrow I will explain about the documents very clearly. In the tomorrow demo session, we'll see the documents how it looks like and we'll explain one concept also. Okay, explain one. I will take one software development life cycle and will explain that concept also in the tomorrow session after explaining the documents. Okay, so for automation, I have prepared the three documents which includes Java frameworks and Selenium tool. Where we include some other tools like Maven, Cucumber framework, Test Engine framework. More will be there. If I explain now, you may feel something new and you won't understand anything now. That's the reason I'm not explaining the things which you don't know now. Okay. And next one, resume preparation. Of course, every institute will provide the resume preparation, but there is a trick in it. In resume preparation, I will connect with each and every person. For example, this is the batch number 21. If five members are joining the batch number 21, today I have given a class for the resume preparation to you all. So after completion of the class, I will tell you and I will give an assignment to you, prepare your resumes. Okay, so whoever prepared your resumes, their resumes as per the class, and they have to submit their resumes to me. I has to recheck those resumes. I have to verify those resumes if there is any changes in the keywords and anything to be done on it. And I'm going to verify and I'm going to send the changes to them to change in the resumes. Okay, that is the very important point. And apart from resume preparation, I am going to provide the explanation on the cover letter also. Few of the students are looking for the opportunities on onset, right? On different countries like New Zealand, European countries, and Gulf countries, whatever it is, right? So at that moment, it was very clear that you guys can easily crack the jobs from other countries also by applying the cover letter preparation and some other things. Okay, so later I will explain that how to apply for the jobs. Okay, so in most of the institutes they are going to give directly that yeah, we will give job to you, and they will give the false commitments before joining to the course. But in this institute it's not like that. We are not going to provide any companies to you. Okay, it's totally based on you. We will tell you how to apply for the jobs and how you get scheduled for the interviews and what are the tips need to be followed to apply in the Naukari on LinkedIn. So that's the only in our hand. We are not responsible to give you a job, right? So it's based on you, based on your commitment, based on your dedication. It will be followed as a success behind you if you apply the tricks of that how to apply for the jobs and how you get scheduled. Okay, and next one, openings in company. Openings in company means I have a network among many companies with my colleagues. If there is any opportunities in the companies where my friends are working, I will share those opportunities also in the WhatsApp group which is created by your institute. Okay, institute will also give some opportunities. Institute will share some openings from the different portals if they got any notification. But one thing I am telling that in me, I or institute are not responsible to give a job to you. Okay, we are only responsible to share the openings if there is any available and which is to be uh, got info by you, right? So if we got info, if me or institute got any infos that were openings on any company, we will share that information. And if you guys are eligible for that opportunity as per that experience, you can share your resume to that HR mains. If you got shortlisted, then you will get a message or mail something from the HR. It's the procedure. Okay, so don't expect the thing that we must and should give the job to you. Okay, so it's completely based on you. These are the most of the advantages and benefits of the courses we have in the team. Okay, so course timings I already told you, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. 1 hour session will be there. Okay, this is all about the introduction part. I don't want to explain more here what you guys are going to learn in the automation. So it's a basic thing. You guys has to learn one tool, at least one tool you guys has to learn: Selenium or WebDriver or Cypress. We have many tools: Playwright, which is designed by the Google, and the Cypress, WebDriver.io, Selenium. So but most of the market is using the Selenium. That's the reason we included the Selenium tool in this course. And next one is editor. We have different editors in the market. Editor is nothing but where we can write a code, that is called it as a editor. Okay, so we have Eclipse, IntelliJ, Visual Studio. We have many editors, but in this course we are going to include a Eclipse tool, which makes you people fresh and easy as your starters to this testing part, right? Coding part. And the programming also, we have many programs: Java, Python, C Sharp, .NET, JS. We have many things, but Java is a core which the people are using in the market, so that's why we are using the Java. And next one is build tool. So it was somewhat bit tricky concepts. Build tool is will explain you while explaining the concepts, like mapping. Version control system. Okay, whenever the people has written the code in their system, for example, three employees are working on a single project. Employee 1 is working on first 10 test cases, employee 2 work on second 10, employee 3 work on third 10. Their code will be there on their laptops only. All together code should be stored in a single place, right? To push their individual codes into the single place, we are going to use the comments. That comments are called it as a git comments, version control system. So where is that place? That place is central repository system, CRS document, GitHub or Bitbucket or JFrog. Okay. And frameworks which we are going to learn is the structure should be there to write a test cases. For example, if it is only one test case, then it is fine. But if it's 100 test cases, so we need to follow some structure to track the errors, right? So for that framework, we are using either TestNG or Cucumber. In this course, included both. Project is Waxlab in the automation. This is all about the a small introduction part about the course. Hope you guys are clear about this. Any doubts so far which we have seen? Any doubts so far? Ashlesha, Lakshmi, Kavya, Yashwant,
Um,
Satya. So far clear?
Hello.
No, no,
Yeah.
no, in that is clear.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, go ahead. Who is it?
Am I
Okay,
audible?
fine. Yes, yes, Lakshmi.
Yeah, okay. As of now, I don't have any queries.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Now you are not audible, Lakshmi.
Yeah, actually, I have a slight problem with my mic. Sorry for that. And thing is, I'm now in Australia, so is there any late sessions or early sessions because the time difference?
What is the Australia timing?
So now here, give me a moment. It's 2:30. Yeah, it's between
2:30,
5.5 hours difference.
2:30 morning?
No, no, no. Afternoon.
Then it will be fine,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Um, yeah. Um,
Actually,
yeah.
we have only this slot available for this batch.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So, Lakshmi, hey everybody, I'm Lakshmi. I'm from Hyderabad, worked as a document reviewer. Now I want to change to manual testing group. And Kavya. Hi everyone, myself Kavya, and I have worked as an Android developer previously, and I have a career break for 4 years due to personal issues. Now I'm looking to start my career as a tester. Okay, good. Good morning. I recently graduated and belongs to Hyderabad. I need to gain knowledge in manual testing and I'm very much interested in testing. Okay. So here that I have seen that we have freshers and the experienced candidate, the people who has career break, and everyone. So we are going to plan the syllabus which helps to all the people, both fresher, career break candidates. Career break candidates also comes under the fresher, right? If they want to keep any of the fake experience or as their old experience as a testing also, they will comes under the experienced candidates. So we will design the course from fresher point of view to experienced point of view. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, fine. Let's go to the syllabus document so you will get a clear idea about it. Okay, this is the syllabus document. What we have here, we have two types of blocks. If you observe, this is called manual testing block. This is automation testing block. Coming to the manual testing block, again we have the two types. Again we have the two types. One is manual testing. Sorry, yeah, introduction part about the UA testing. UA testing means we are going to check, validate the UA elements. Like for example, this is the UA, right? In this UA, I am going to validate the UA elements. And next one is API testing. API testing means we are going to validate the connections. We are going to validate the connections is nothing but let's assume that login page. In login page, we have username and password and login button. These are the three components we have. If it is the UA testing, in UA testing, what we are going to validate is if we send username and password and click on login button, it's navigate to the page or not. We are going to use some web locators is nothing but the location of that component in that page. So for example, if you order any food to the Zomato or Swiggy, you are sending your location to the delivery boy, right? In similar way, we has to send the location to the that Selenium tool to identify that component in the web page, right? So this can be done with the help of the UI automation testing. API testing is nothing but in backend we will get some calls to click on the login button. It will pass some call. If you validate that call, it will be enough. No web locator is required. That is called API testing. Okay, application programming interface. Okay, I will tell one example. You went to the restaurant and you have seen the menu and you call the barrier or waiter and you have given your order to you. So what that waiter will do after taking order from you, that waiter will send that order to the chef. Okay, what the chef will do, the chef prepare the food which you ordered and they will give that food to the waiter and the waiter will give you food after chef prepare. So here that waiter is became a APA, acts as a, he receives the request and he will send the response back to you, right? Let's assume you are the client, the chef is the server. Okay, that waiter is a mediator, waiter is a APA. Okay, so APA will take the request from the client and will send the response back from the server to client. Okay, that will be done with the API testing. And the only these two things will be there in the manual part. And we'll discuss all things, what is SDLC, what is white box and black box testing, and how many types of levels of testing. All these concepts are very very important in the interview point of view. Okay, entire course is designed in the interview point of view because you have great knowledge in the automation testing, great knowledge in the manual testing. You are not able to, still you are not able to crack the interviews. Why? You are not preparing the course in the point of interviews, right? Is it or not? That's why I'm telling that they prepare the course in the interview point of view. Okay, this is all about the manual. And coming to the automation, you only UI testing will be there in the automation testing, where we cover the Java. And I already told you version control system, central repository system in that notepad, right? All projects or things are going to be discussed. In UA, we are going to discuss one project. In manual testing, one project, automation testing, one project. Two projects we are going to see. Okay, so if you observe here, what are the tools covered? Test trial, Jira. Test trial is to write the test cases for the manual. Jira means task management tool. Postman means for API testing. Eclipse is editor. Jenkins is CI/CD tool for automation. TestNG Cucumber are frameworks. Git is version control system. GitHub is central repository system. Selenium is a tool. Java is a programming language. Okay. Additional benefits are already discussed. You duration is 2 months. This is all about the syllabus. Just have a look on this syllabus for 5 minutes and let me know if you have any doubts on the syllabus which you are going to learn. Just see this document for 5 minutes. Now it was 9:11. Take 4 minutes of time and see the concepts. And if you have any doubts, you can ask. Any doubt on the syllabus? Ashleisha, Lakshmi, Kavya, Jishwan, Satya. If you have any doubts, you can ask me not only on the syllabus, on the career, on the opportunities, on the testing, and whatever. So make use of this time to ask your questions here. So after the Q&A session, we'll close the demo session today, and tomorrow, the demo session, we can explain about that syllabus documents, that documents materials, how structured, and we'll show those materials. And after that, we'll take one concept from the IT like software development lifecycle, and I will explain that how that software lifecycle will be there from start to end. Okay.
Um, okay.
Sir, I have doubt in this batch. How many members are interested from offline classes? I too don't know, Yashwant. You are interested in offline classes? The session mode will be there on online. Am I audible, Yashwant? So please respond, guys, if you have any doubts.
No doubts.
Okay, fine. So if no doubts, then we can close the demo session for today. Please try to join tomorrow also. Tomorrow is very, very important session. Whoever joined today, don't hesitate to join tomorrow. That the sir will teach same thing which I taught today. Okay, completely different. Tomorrow I won't teach these things. I already explored the syllabus and all the things to you. So if any new one is joined, they are going to see the recording session of the syllabus. And tomorrow we are going to discuss about the syllabus, not syllabus document, materials exploration, and then we'll go with one software development lifecycle IT concept. Okay. So thank you all for joining on the on time. Thank you all for your interest. Please try to book your slots as early as possible because the limited slots are available. We are not going to take more students for the single batch. Okay, because if we take the most students in the single batch, it's very difficult to track the students' performance. Right? So we are taking very less members. Please try to join, book your slots as early as possible, so we can plan accordingly. So have a nice day. Thank you all for joining. Bye bye.